Hey guys, welcome. Technical Beardo here. Today in this video, I'll be talking about few shortcuts for your YouTube application in your iPhone. Yes guys, there are few inbuilt YouTube shortcuts on your iPhone. So in this video, we'll show you how to activate them, how to use them in your iPhone. But before that, let me show you how it works, right? How they look and how to use them. Right? So first see how it looks and how to use them in your iPhone. So let's start. Search YouTube. Search YouTube with voice. Apple event. So guys, as you saw here, it is very easy to use your YouTube application just by giving a Siri shortcut commands, right? So now how to do it or how to get this on your device, right? If you see, there are two shortcuts currently I am using. Okay, you can use it manually just by typing the shortcuts in your iPhone, or else just by giving a Siri command. So now how to get this on your device or in your shortcut application? It's very easy. Open YouTube application. Okay, just scroll down, go to settings. In settings, do one, open general. If you see second option, open general, and scroll down till the last, you find Siri shortcuts, right? So YouTube has inbuilt shortcuts for your application or iPhone. So here if you see, currently I'm using two shortcuts on my iPhone. You can add any one of them. Okay, you can edit the command as per your choice. So whatever you say, it will open the application or do the things, right? I will remove now and I will edit again. If you see, just remove shortcut, do that. Now how to edit? Just click on plus icon. As you see here, just click on plus icon, and here it will ask you to change the voice phrase, means you can change your command. And now as per your editing, you can give a command to Siri and use the YouTube application on your iPhone. So guys, I hope this was a helpful video, and if it was helpful, just give a like, and please subscribe for more awesome videos on iPhone tips and tricks, iPhone solutions and iPhone customization. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care.